Welcome to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're doing a Sunday vlog. I've had a very slow morning. I just have been super exhausted this week. I don't know why. I don't know if I'm just not sleeping well or if work stress has gotten to me, but I decided to just take Sunday very slow. I'm not going to church. I'm just going to watch it online, but I've been moving very slow and I needed it. So I ran to Target real quick to do a pickup order because there was a couple things that I need for dinner tonight and I wanted to get that out of the way before they got busy. So just to show you what I got, you may have heard me mention it in my grocery haul that went up before this, but I needed some Brussels sprouts for a sheet pan dinner that I'm having tonight. And then I wanted to get some more Olipop, so I got the root beer, Dr. Goodwin, and cream soda. And then dog food. Mr. Riley has had a bad week. He had like an episode of wanting to throw up and cough every 2 seconds on Tuesday, and that's kind of progressed throughout the week. But for whatever reason, I mean, he's doing better. He's just randomly coughing now, no more throwing up. But he's been eating like a horse and we're going through his dog food too fast. So I had to get some more food for him before payday because he would run out. And then they had a sale on their faux fall plants and I wanted to get a new one to put maybe on the coffee table. So I got this one because it was on sale. I think it's cute. It's better, I think, than the little ball one that looks faker. So I might swap this to that and move the other one to somewhere else in the house. That's all that I got. Oh, and I did order one item that all of a sudden was out of stock, so I had to order it for shipping, so that'll be delivered, but it's just like a little ceramic white with like a cream base pumpkin dish with a lid. I wanted it for food items. I have a couple things coming up in this October month where I think it would come in handy and make it look nice. So I ordered that. That should be here this week. But I'm gonna put this stuff away. Church is on, so I may go sit down and go ahead and watch church from home today because, yeah, I'm not going. But let me take care of this stuff first.
Well, how many of you know Jesus approves of funnel cake fries? Did you know this? Did you know this? If you go to church, calories and fat grams don't count on Sunday.
Let's talk for a minute while this is cooling down for me to eat. Sundays I don't usually do housework, but I think today I'm gonna attempt to do some of the housework because I have a very early appointment tomorrow morning and I gotta leave here by 6:30 in the morning. So I think just to alleviate, yeah, so I'm gonna I already cleaned the bathrooms. I didn't show that, but I cleaned those and I'm gonna take a break and eat lunch. And then probably do like dust, maybe the wood floor vacuuming, and then take another break before I do rugs. Gradually do this. I need to get a shower this afternoon. If I have time and I have the energy this afternoon, I'd really like to bake some cookies. So I'm gonna attempt to do that, but we'll see if I have the energy. If I don't, I'm not gonna push myself. But I'm just gonna do a little bit at a time, like a task here, take a break, because I don't wanna feel like I'm overdoing it. I want to get stuff done, but I want to relax at the same time. So if I got to take a break after every task, I'm going to. So for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and eat some of my lunch, probably watch some TV of some sort, and then I will get up and do some more. Last thing to do is to vacuum the rug in the living room. So I'm gonna go get the vacuum, knock this out, maybe go ahead and get my shower out of the way so I can start laundry. And then I think with the cookies, because it does say you're supposed to bake, or not bake, but make the dough and then chill it for a little bit before you put it into the oven. So I think I'll get the dough made before dinner, make dinner, and then we can start baking them after dinner. That might be the move. But either way, let me go ahead and get this vacuuming done so I can technically finish the cleaning part of it, except for kitchen, which I'm waiting till tomorrow because I still have to meal prep a couple things. And I'll do the kitchen once I'm done cooking. But let me get the vacuum.
Comfortable, and no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful, a star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light, even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky, and I feel so lucky I met you. It's not logical, the way I feel when you walk in the room. It's not optional. How gravity just pulls me right to you, to you. Even the dark days still see light, even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel.
So the cookies are gonna be in the fridge for a minimum of 30 minutes, but I'm gonna go ahead and start on my dinner so I can get that going.
So lucky I met you, and I still Can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky. And I feel so lucky I met you. Spent my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby. And all these broken roses led to you. Spent my whole life waiting for someone like you, baby. And all these broken roses led to you. I feel so lucky I met you. And I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky. And I feel so lucky I met you.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, easier to love, oh. There's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away. And the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like it's
Well, why I already ate one, but these are so good.
living in your arms as is.
It reminds me of, there's a mix that you can get from Trader Joe's. It's like the oatmeal pumpkin chocolate cookie mix that I love to buy every year. It tastes just like that. Like, this is a good recipe. I will link it down below. This was not a bake with me, so I didn't like go step by step, but I will link this recipe because it's good. The only thing that wasn't in the recipe was the chocolate chips, but I added those and I'm really glad I did. So I'm gonna just wrap this vlog up here. I'm not gonna do anything else tonight except sit on the couch, watch the Hallmark movie, have some cookies, and then I'm going to bed early because I gotta be up really early for my appointment tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed this slower yet productive Sunday vlog. As always, I hope everybody has a blessed day.
It's easy